My name is Andrew Whitson and I am the director of a company called tSnáthaid, and in English that means DragonFly Press. We were established in 2007 and our main focus is publishing for children. We are very keen to produce very high quality books for children. We have now got 5 titles published, and our recent title, Ó Chrann has recently just been made into a book app. It's now for sale on the Apple Store. All of our other titles now hopefully will be then digitised and put into the same format. We decided to apply for CIIF funding because we wanted to take one of our existing titles and convert it into a digital format that was interactive for children. It was very exciting for us first and foremost to be successful in our CIIF funding application. Once we received that, it was really all systems go for us to start exploring the ability to take existing content from a hard copy book and make it interactive for children. We had never done this before, and whereas an illustration was static on a page, we're able to look at the facilities that need to be achieved in order to convert that illustration into an interactive experience for a child. So the latest app is available in 2 versions, where you have From Tree to Tree, which is the English-led version where English is a leading language, and you can also go in and experience it in Irish language. Or you can purchase it as Ó Chrann, where Irish is the leading language, where English is the supporting language. If you tapped on the cityscape, for instance, you got sounds of a New York City. You had cars and boat noises. You're able to make things move on the screen. You can maneuver boxes around the page. So in a way, that was where the innovation lay. It lay in the fact that we were able to start being creative with the content that we already had. The CIIF funding was a crucial part, we felt it was a crucial part of our development into the digital content. And what we're now looking at is a window of opportunity that is going to allow us to convert the content of our existing titles into the digital content and create a family of products. Up until this point, we have been very successful with all kinds of awards. We've won the Rex Carlo Award 3 times now for Best Children's Irish Language Book. We've been shortlisted for the Bisto Award 4 times, and we were lucky enough last year to win the Bisto Illustration Award. Well, our plans for the future now are very bright because, number one, the funding we received from the Arts Council, the CIIF funding, has given us the opportunity to explore the digital content books. We've seen now the possibilities of what that can offer us, and we're hoping to then expand that into all of our titles.